Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add transactions on MoneyCoach. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. So you just have to open the MoneyCoach app, and then you have to tap on the transactions menu, which is at the MoneyCoach section. And when you tap on it, on the top of the screen, you can search for previous transactions in the search bar. And below that, you will see all your previous transactions. If you want to edit them in bulk, you can do that only with a premium subscription, but you can always edit them one by one. You can add attachments, you can add location, create shortcuts, and basically edit the transaction. And if you want to add new transactions, you just have to tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. You can choose a date, or you can just choose today, and here you can type in the amount of the transaction, then tap on save, and your transaction is done. And if you want to edit it, you can do that by tapping on edit and basically do it. And you can set it to expense or income. Let's set it to income, and as you can see, our balance just changed and our transaction is done. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.